Welcome on everybody. We're there. I don't know if you need to see me put up something on Instagram, so I go participate in the guardsman game. So people, here what? Sunday they're competing in the guardsman games, right? At that me I go there now, you see me? See a bag of people. We're gonna see how fun this be. I represent J in Jamaica National Bank. So I got this on to try and have some fun. Let's see how that goes, bruh. Oh, what I gonna do? I gonna run this obstacle course. I see what I having on me. You know what I mean? Play basketball and all these things. So hopefully that amount of athletics is enough. I roll out now. Forward.
Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the f.
Alright, I know what I'm gonna say. Kevin, we don't just see how I walk up to the gate. Let me get an update on the situation. So I go at the gate. Usually I love go right up the gate, so a good thing me never do that. My sister them a check for band, so pull out my phone now for call my link to try get my band. I need to top up my credit. There's credit on my phone, but I can't use it because I never put on no credit. A good while I never put on a credit still, but I hate to enforce man to put on credit. So I have to end up walk, go get a credit. I go back now, call my link, and make him forward with the band so I can go see what I go on. I already a sweat, like I participate in a challenge already to react it. I'm not even reach through the gate yet. Life rough for youths them dog. It's a struggle. Anyways, you link in the back when we reach through and all of them something. I'm tired. Already. That yellow needed window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal cause the camera all I shoot.
Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the f.
We get in, so now it's just time for kind of wait to go compete. I go on pre-war, I go on to see all types of obstacles, and so we're gonna see how that goes. That rope something in a look too normal, isn't it? Years now, I'm not climbing a tree, I'm not climbing a rope, none of them simple, so I'm gonna see, hold on, see my link here for
true. Draped in black, my skin yellow, bring it back to 2010. How you been? I've been at it, I just need to get it in. I see them trying to end this, but you need like 20 men.
My side, it look like we're ready, I know.
Oh, here he comes!
Wow, yes!
No, remember, I didn't think of it. It just made
believe in it, though. We're good. We hydrate my side. We pull it off. My side, now look. But them a pre-way.
Every Aki sees and I can't get it in tree Aki off a damn tree good.
I go on a stretch.
How do you carry back the Aki then?
Monkey gang. Ooh. Hold this a minute, brother. Two forward, two back in, please.
Forward, off, off. Twice forward.
No hesitation, no freaking hesitation. Take some move. Pull it, pull it. Pull it.
Many stupid black. Move! On a country youth. The drag goat and nothing. Come in, goat. Yeah. Is it recording? Oh, my side, I'm going to just stop for a second and bask in the my side. We're dead. Yeah, go that way there. Yeah, man. I'll go around in there. We do this my side. We not give up. We still a move. The sun is pretty ripe at the moment. I try to hold it my side, trust me. General have dinner, you know, early morning dinner. You know that Sunday, I Saturday, Sunday something there. Bruh, I think I'm stuck. I'm going around this shit. Style my side. Style can't spoil. Nothing already. My side, look like my shoes want give up on me. It bust out, but I still I go. Still I go my side. But now I give up like my shoes. Another one conquered. No, my arms are weak.
Hey, guess what? We're gonna make them strong today.
I guess I'm eating my much now. Everything else was alright. Bruh. Another one conquered.
I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Big up my baby mother. Yeah, man. Like the page, VAIN Fitness, VAIN Fitness. Buy something, like something,
All them
share
things.
something. Yeah, man.
Me feel that one. Yeah. Come in.
Right, go Kev. Go Kevin. Woo! Go Kev. Go. Hey, finish up.
Come on, man. I like snotty, you know. What's the one, boy?
Elephant fail me. Elephant is no good. Ah! Ah! Another one. Another one.
Hey, don't hold up the traffic in there, brother.
Another one conquered. Pause. Wallet. Kill them. Them dead. Feel like I'm splat out now. No! You see, I can't kite before you go. You don't see me now, upper body. I'm a pro, man. Amateur, you see me?
Really? Really? Really?
If it was a tree or something, I good, but rope.
You got it. Lock those legs up and pull yourself out. It's a push with the legs and a pull with the arms.
This feel like I lost one. As in like for me, to try to do anything else.
Everything you got right now. Let's go. Come on. Hey, do you think you can do this? You guys think you can do this? Come on. There you go. There you go.
No! No, that one ain't for me. Now let go that one day. Thank you. Thank you. Congrats. Thank you. Alright, sir, we do it. I was the racing, so I don't know how much you coming, but the only one I feel. And I rope something here, you see me?
That rope something in there. It don't look too normal, you see me?
Terrible, man. I try to get the car off them about you now and get some food. Because mash up. That's why I do it for, so hopefully we can get some of the footage from this, you see me? And make them see what I'm doing. Think it, believe it, and what? Live to achieve it. out and I watch the rest of the games. Kind of time soon got me hard, man. Just flat out.
Just to an hour.
I will it, you see me? I chill out and I watch the rest of the games. Think of the finals are going. Basically, they're on the last couple of events of the day, or the last event of the day. People that are running on our city. I'm gonna try and show them some of that. No. So the event basically done. It basically done. I don't hear the winners yet, but my cut. I go on my ends, you know. It's a good little run still, you know. Through the day. Nice good thing. I walk in a bag of mud, you know. I'll see how that go. By the time you clean off our and boot. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the share button. Jesus Christ. Definitely subscribe. People, look at me up, man. I'll be a piak. Jane, big up on yourself again, you see me? And always I show the youths love and I give the youths opportunity for the road. Big up on yourself. Guys, man, big up on yourself, guys, man, games. Big up all of them sponsors here. Free plug, we say. So yeah, people, look at more, man. I go. I splat out.